Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So just starting off on the weekly because it's quite significant. We've had a weekly close sort of in this zone, and I'm just going to give you the two weekly levels here that we need to pay attention to. So you can see every time we've got into this area, we've had buyers step in. So the last time we had a weekly close in the zone was back here. That was, when was that? June. So in June last year we had a weekly close down here, then immediately the next week was a pretty strong bull week, and then we had a gradual climb. So at the moment, if you look at it from a distance, we do have inverse, sorry, not inverse, but a head and shoulders pattern here. We've got a massive area of support here, and if that gives way, we're dropping like a stone, to be honest. We'd be looking for 29,534 at the moment. So nothing really to write home about just yet. If we start dropping down to the 8 hour, you'll see strong move. We had a week of consolidation, and then Friday, we were expecting expecting the market just to sort of recover a little bit and sort of try and get us a weekly pin bar. That's what was looking like was happening. That failed dismally. So this is what we need to pay attention to. We need to pay attention to 33,300. If we cannot get above 3,300 and find some support there based on what we were doing last week, and we reject this area, expect to make another move down 32,278. So I don't even need to get to the 3 hour, because 3 hours exact same picture. The trend is down. We could be, so there's two scenarios here, right? So we could be bottom of range, or broken the range, coming back to test, or alternatively we could be forming a flag. Okay, and that would be a bull flag. Obviously there's a bull channel there, but basically a move back to this side, or alternatively, if we do break the flag, where is the target? The target is up there, so it's not a massive target. And if you look to the left here, you can see a lot of resistance that would be there, and the 155 EMA. So with all that noise in your head, what are we looking for today? Quite simply, not looking to be short at the moment. Look at this, two inside bars formed, moving averages not moving averages, but oscillators grouped to the downside below the moving averages. You can see how Friday we kept bouncing on the 155 and then eventually rejected it properly at the open. So I would expect something similar at the open. So maybe a European just meandering around and a little bit of a pullback and start bumping our head here at 33,300 area. So 33,300, 33,16, somewhere around there, before rejecting that area. Possibly even, you could get a bit of a higher move up. I suppose let's do this properly. That is the zone there. So a move back to the top of the channel, that would be a great opportunity for a short, 33,730. Not looking for shorts down here, definitely not. Unless we reject this area. If we reject this area, then, which we probably will be in a weekly level, you can probably get a 200 point stop loss for a 400 point, so 2-to-1 trade, so risk 1, reward of 2. So that would be a fairly decent trade, and I'd probably be looking at that on the 15 minutes, because that'll give you the much better area. You'll be able to fine tune where the levels are, and the levels just a little bit higher up. There it is there. So that's 33,330. Get back into that zone, move down. If that gives way, you've got another little micro level right up here, and you can see we had support and we've had rejection of that level on the 15 minutes. So probably not going to happen, but nice little lesson here. During the market, you can see on the 50 minute during the market, find support, move up, and if you look to the left, you'll probably see one of these tails here offered resistance, and then there's your resistance bar. Nice short there, stop above there, break through the level, looking for another one. There's a nice pin bar off structure, and you're in. And then this weekly level here they didn't even bat an eyelid. They just plummeted through it. So that just tells me that the bears are very much were in control on Friday. So let's just see what transpires today. Oscillators all grouping the upside, so looking to short off 33,330, then your stop is above the next level. If we get above this, then you're looking for this area to be tested, 33,490. 490 could be rounded off to 33,500, and then you're looking for a move back down to the bottom of this channel, which would be somewhere along this level here, probably 32,880, somewhere around there. So yeah, be cautious, small positions and tight stop losses. But at the moment, I think we're probably going to just consolidate a bit and then continue in this channel for now. And we do have the Feds coming out later in the week, so more than likely just gonna muck around either in this channel, or we're gonna form a range somewhere in the channel until the Feds come out and tell us what they've already told us, and then the market will respond to that. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.